Hawthorn is a brand new company. It's a startup company, and I was asked to join this company about 6 months ago to help it review mining assets, and this is the one that we've settled on. So this is the Prince Silver deposit. It's a past producer in Mexico, or sorry, in Nevada, and what a good jurisdiction to be in these days. So there's a few pictures of the mine in the past. This thing mined in the 40s. And we're looking at it as a restart of an operation, so we've got exploration work to do. I'll just dive into it. Again, forward-looking statements. So Hawthorn, as a startup company, is well-structured. We have currently 15.7 million shares. That's based on a post-rollback. We're going to go 3-for-4 rollback to bring the company in line with the vendors of the acquisition of the vendors project. So we're buying a Nevada corporation. We're going to be issuing them 15 million shares. So we'll have 30.7 million shares issued after the acquisition is complete. It's an advanced stage now. We expect to sign up the agreements in the coming month. We're doing a financing, $3.5 million. And that's got a half a warrant at 27 cents. So again, there's myself as management. We have Robert Rickson coming in from the vendor party. He's an investment banking style person from Hong Kong. Neil McRae's a long history in the industry with IR for various large companies. And Daniel Joyce, former incumbent director. And then the other side is the management. Again, I won't spend a lot of time here. You can read it at your leisure. But to say we have a well-structured group, and then company advisors, these gentlemen are kingpins of the industry, have been around a long time and are joining us as advisors. So we have finance guys, Rob Scott, Jay, legal side. Jorge is a well-known mining promoter, has raised a lot of money, as Daryl. So these joined us as advisors and will use their talents to help grow the company. So here's our Prince Silver project. So the acquisition of the Nevada Corporation encompasses two assets. The Prince Mine down to the south, it's in the green block, former producer, and then up the large concessions up to the north. That's a very large porphyry copper moly target. It's an excellent looking surface expression of the alteration zone here is massive. Probably one of the larger unexplored potential porphyry copper projects in Nevada. However, we're concentrating on the silver aspect of the Prince at this point in time. So you can see here, we deem it to be our flagship asset, historic, modeled based on 129 drill holes, have brought in an exploration target that looks to be about 24 to 43 million tons at the grades you see there, 37 to 40 silver, a bit of gold, 1.4 to 1.5 zinc, lead, and of particular interest is manganese. It's got a good grade of manganese, which we hope to be able to recover as we push the project forward. So the Prince Mine's a historic area. You can see here, our concessions are through this area in here, and that's all of the drill holes that's been perforated the deposit so far. This is a historic area, the Castleton Trend, a lot of historic mining out of there. And these are attractive near-term developments. Historic mining at Castleton in the Highland District has produced 6.7 million tons at 135 grams per ton silver, good base metals, 15.9% zinc equivalent. And then if you look at the Prince Mine, 1.1 million tons of ore mined there, 100 grams silver, lead, zinc, a bit of gold, and a gold or silver equivalent at 11.8. And the manganese here, which is not displayed, is about 3 to 4.5%. Predominantly mined underground, exploited from sulfide replacement, so it's a carbonate replacement deposit. Historic drilling proves that this mineralization is occurring to depth and along strike, and it's open in all directions. So the historical drilling results have allowed us to come up, well, the previous operators to come up with an exploration target of, it looks like over 100 million ounces of silver equivalent. We're going to go in and twin some of those drill holes And if we get comparable results to the previous drilling, we should be able to bring a lot of that into a resource calculation. And we're going to be doing infill drilling to upgrade the resources. You see the values here. There's some excellent values in the 2012 drilling, 65 grams silver, 48 meters or 40 meters, et cetera. Large intersections of good grade material. And additionally, there seems to be gold in the PO shale, which was not extensively developed, but it shows that there could be good upside gold potential on the deposit as well. There's sort of a flatline view of the deposit so far, all of the drill holes. And there's some spectacularly good drill hole results in this thing. 15 meters of 98 grams silver, 0.4 gold, good lead and zinc. And that's our idea, is to go in here, re-drill this, twin it, re-drill it, infill drill, and then come up with a published resource, maybe the end of this year, but more likely it might take one more drill program and sometime next year. And we're looking at it as an open pit target in this area and underground in other areas. So that's the silver highlights, but you can see very good gold highlights as well. So the gold and silver here are quite strong. We feel we've got a really good project to carry on and grow the company. That's a long section through that hole I just showed you. Very good grades, open in all directions, and that's an open pitable target without question. And you can see the width there on the PC11, 59 meters at 2.7 zinc, good silver values all the way down to near to the bottom of the hole. So we look at a peer comparison. A lot of other gold producers out there, or gold explorers with resource as shown here. So if we go, we're down here at $8 million market cap due to the tight structure, of a new company. And then GR Silver, 63 million market cap. Silver Storm, 76. Kootenay up here at 62. So if we can develop 100 million ounce gold equivalent or silver equivalent resource, then this stock has a lot of room to grow from its current positions. Now, a quick note on the porphyry copper project. So this is the Stampede Gap. It's a large land package, extensive alteration zone. It's in a prospective intrusives, regional scale alteration, large skarn bodies, and there has been some drillings which shows fairly continuous anomalous gold and ore grade molybdenum. So somewhere in that area there is a larger porphyry copper system. Yeah, this is going to take big pockets to drill this. Our idea is to joint venture this off to a larger company and see if they have any success. But it has been termed as one of the best undeveloped porphyry copper targets in Nevada at this point in time. So somewhere probably a deep-seated porphyry, which would be equivalent to maybe the Robertson Ruth Chris porphyry copper Bali deposit 100 kilometers to the north of our project. Manganese, this upside potential, strategic metal, as is gold and silver. So with Trump coming in, we feel that any exploration success we have here, we could probably fast track this towards a mine in the very near future. So why look at us? Why join us? We're in a great jurisdiction, Nevada. You couldn't ask for a better place. It's a brownfields asset. Near-term production is there potentially with good exploration, development results. It's a tight share structure. We'll have about probably after the private placement of 45 million share issuance. And the drill program coming up, once we close the private placement, we'll be conducting a drill program probably this summer or late in the summer, early fall. So that's the story for now. Please feel free to come and chat with me out at the booth or during question period later on.